1. Millionaire mindset versus the average person. How to think differently and achieve financial freedom. 2. Welcome back to Echo and Vision. 3. Today, we're diving into a topic that could completely change the way you think about success and wealth: the millionaire mindset versus the average person. 4. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve massive financial success while others struggle to get ahead? 5. Is it just luck, hard work, or is there something deeper at play? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between how millionaires think and how the average person thinks. We'll explore the myths about wealth, the power of mindset, and actionable steps you can take to start thinking like a millionaire. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to shift your mindset and take control of your financial future. Let's get started. 1. The myth of luck and effort. Let's start by addressing a common misconception: the idea that wealth is all about luck or working harder than everyone else. Sure, hard work is important, and luck can play a role, but here's the truth: wealthy people don't just rely on these factors. They create their own opportunities by thinking differently. For example, the average person might see a setback as a reason to give up, while a millionaire sees it as a learning opportunity. The average person might wait for the perfect moment to start a business or invest, while a millionaire takes action even when conditions aren't ideal. The key difference? Mindset. Millionaires use their mindset as a tool to achieve their goals, while the average person often lets their mindset hold them back. So, if you want to achieve financial success, the first step is to understand and adopt the millionaire mindset. 2. Millionaires think differently. Now, let's dive deeper into how millionaires think differently. One of the biggest differences is their focus on long-term vision. Millionaires don't chase quick wins or get rich quick schemes. They set big, audacious goals and work steadily toward them over time. For example, instead of spending their paycheck on the latest gadgets or luxury items, they invest in assets that grow their wealth over time, like stocks, real estate, or their own businesses. They understand the power of delayed gratification. Another key difference is their approach to risk. The average person often avoids risk because they fear failure. But millionaires take calculated risks. They weigh the pros and cons, do their research, and take action even when there's a chance of failure. They see failure as a stepping stone to success, not the end of the road. Finally, millionaires are committed to continuous learning. They're always reading, attending seminars, and seeking out mentors to improve themselves. The average person, on the other hand, often prioritizes comfort over growth. They stick to what they know and rarely step out of their comfort zone. These differences in mindset create a massive gap in financial outcomes. The millionaire mindset is about playing the long game, while the average mindset stays stuck in the short term. 3. The power of belief. Here's the game changer: self-belief. Millionaires have an unshakable belief in their ability to succeed. They don't just hope for success, they expect it. This belief fuels their motivation, resilience, and determination to keep going, no matter the obstacles. For example, when faced with a challenge, a millionaire thinks, "How can I solve this?" Or, "What can I learn from this?" The average person, however, often doubts themselves. They think, "Can I really do this?" Or, "What if I fail?" That lack of belief holds them back from even trying. The truth is, your mindset shapes your reality. If you don't believe you can achieve something, you've already lost. But if you cultivate a strong sense of self-belief, you'll find the motivation and resilience to overcome any obstacle. So, how do you build this kind of belief? Start by setting small, achievable goals and celebrating your wins. Surround yourself with positive, like-minded people who encourage and support you. And most importantly, remind yourself daily that you are capable of achieving great things. 4. Cultivating a millionaire mindset. Now that we've covered the key differences in mindset, let's talk about how you can start thinking like a millionaire. Here are some actionable steps you can take. Shift your perspective on money. Stop seeing money as something to spend. See it as a tool to create more wealth. Instead of buying liabilities, invest in assets that generate passive income. Embrace a long-term vision. Set big, audacious goals and break them into actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to retire early, start by saving a percentage of your income each month and investing it wisely. Take calculated risks. Step out of your comfort zone and learn from failures. Start small. Maybe it's investing in a low-risk stock or starting a side hustle. The key is to take action and learn as you go. Prioritize learning. Invest in yourself through books, courses, and mentors. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll see to grow your wealth. Surround yourself with success. The people you spend time with have a huge impact on your mindset. Surround yourself with positive, ambitious people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Start small, but start today. 5. From mindset to action. Here's the thing. Mindset alone isn't enough. You need to pair it with action. Millionaires don't just dream, they execute. They take consistent, intentional steps toward their goals. So, what's one thing you can do today to move closer to your financial goals? Maybe it's starting a side hustle, investing in a course, or simply reading a book on personal finance. The key is to take action, no matter how small. For example, if your goal is to start investing, start by researching different investment options and opening a brokerage account. If your goal is to start a business, begin by writing a business plan and reaching out to potential mentors. Remember, small steps lead to big results over time. The most important thing is to get started and stay consistent. Your mindset is the foundation of your success. By adopting a millionaire mindset, you can transform not just your finances, but your entire life. It's not about where you start, it's about how you think and the actions you take. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe to Echo Envision for more life-changing content. Let's build the life you deserve, one mindset shift at a time. And remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. So, what's your first step going to be? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.